Namaste, hi everyone. My name is Valentina and I'm here in Fuerteventura, Canary Island at AzulFit Yoga and Pilates retreats. I want to invite you at my special week here in the retreat about Vinyasa Krama Yoga. Why you should come this week? Well, first, if you have never tried yoga before, it could be a good way, a good start to understand the ABC, the foundation, the real foundation of a body movement connected with the breath. If the opposite, you have a good practice, you have a good experience in your own yoga practice, you should come to make your experience maybe different, or share your experience with other people in the group, or have a chance to improve your own practice, and not only in the physical aspect but also your meditation or maybe your breathing technique. The place is beautiful, the island is amazing, the food is wonderful, and well, why not? Me, Valentina, and all the AzulFit team are waiting for you to share this special week together. Namaste. Thank you very much.